First responders, dinner trivial pursuit, R Junior song cycle 1. Trivial question: is there a Lyme disease vaccine? Short answer: the ACIP of R Junior will recommend the currently being developed Lyme disease vaccine. Or the ACIP of R Junior will not recommend the currently being developed Lyme disease vaccine. A vaccine for Lyme disease is not currently available. Long answer delivered in a halting voice by R Junior. From the perspective of a lawyer who is not medically trained, the only vaccine previously marketed in the United States, LYMERix, was discontinued by the manufacturer in 2002, citing insufficient consumer demand. Protection provided by this vaccine decreases over time. Therefore, if you received this vaccine before 2002, you are no longer protected against Lyme disease. Clinical trials of new vaccines for Lyme disease are currently underway. Valneva and Pfizer have developed a Lyme disease vaccine candidate, VLA15, that is currently in phase 3 human trials. VLA15 is a multivalent protein subunit vaccine that targets the outer surface protein A of Borrelia. This vaccine is designed to protect people against North American and European strains of the Lyme disease bacterium. The University of Massachusetts Medical School's Mass Biologics developed a human monoclonal antibody intended for pre-exposure prophylaxis against Lyme disease. In 2025, Mass Biologics licensed the technology to Tonix Pharmaceuticals, which is planning human clinical studies. This approach would provide seasonal protection against Lyme disease and would likely consist of a single shot that people would get each year before exposure to ticks. What is CDC doing? CDC is conducting research to better understand what concerns healthcare providers and the public may have about any potential Lyme disease vaccine. If a Lyme disease vaccine is approved as safe and effective by the Food and Drug Administration, FDA, CDC will work with the Advisory Committee on Immunization Practices to develop recommendations about who and where in the U.S. the public might benefit from a Lyme disease vaccine. CDC will communicate